The Streetfighter V4 SP is the most adrenaline-pumping naked to ever leave Borgo Panigale's assembly line. The SP stands out from the crowd owing to its winter test livery, which was produced by Centro-style Ducati, using inspiration from MotoGP and SBK pre-season testing motorcycles. The Superleggera V4 has given birth to a premium piece of equipment. The new carbon rims, which are 1.4 kilograms lighter than those on the Streetfighter V4S, lower the moment of inertia substantially and contribute to a 3 kilograms weight reduction. The 1103cc Ducati Streetfighter engine has a counter-rotating crankshaft, twin pulse firing sequence, 208 HP and 123 Nm of torque at 9500 RPM, and a counter-rotating crankshaft. The STM Evo SBK dry clutch not only improves anti-hopping performance, but it also reproduces the distinctive sound that Ducatisti love. Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension and the Brembo Stolima R braking system with front calipers round out the extensive list of features. The Ducati Centro style created the necessary and intriguing winter test livery, drawing influence from the Ducati course motorcycles used in MotoGP and SBK Championship pre-season tests. The matte black of the fairings contrasts brilliantly with the bright red highlights and the gleaming brushed aluminum tank, as does the matte carbon finish of the rims and wings. Borgo Panigale's latest creation is also embellished with some lovely features, such as the progressive number printed on the handlebar and the Italian flag color scheme on the carbon wings. Ducati has introduced a dry clutch to the Panigale V4 SP2, bringing back memories of Ducati superbikes from the late 20th century and triggering nostalgia glands to overdrive. The STM Evo SBK dry clutch, according to Ducati, ensures more efficient anti-hopping and, of course, it's quicker to change, but we all know it was truly installed because its rattling sound so retro great. The 1103cc Ducati Streetfighter engine produces 208 horsepower and delivers 123 Nm of torque at 9500 RPM. The STM Evo SBK dry clutch is fitted to the Ducati Streetfighter on the Streetfighter V4 SP, ensuring better anti-hopping function even in the most aggressive downshifts and greater fluidity during all off-throttle stages, which is a crucial aspect to be truly effective on the track when pushing to the limit. The basic exhaust has a characteristic Ducati bark to it, which is heightened by the quickshifter's ease of use. I'm already feeling a little bit SP special as I trundle down the pit lane of northern Italy's Cremona racetrack, clutch rattling booming off the garages, and a few fast blips of the throttle to add to the occasion. The special Streetfighter V4 SP's chassis compartment is outfitted with cutting-edge technological components shared with the Ducati Superleggera V4, including its carbon wheels and Brembo Stolima R front brake calipers. High-quality anodized aluminum footpegs, carbon fiber heel guards, and brake and shift pedals are intended to swiftly swap between standard and reverse shifting configurations and to reduce the danger of braking in the case of a slide. The SP variant has the same Öhlins Nix 30 fork, Öhlins TTX 36 rear shock absorber, and Öhlins steering damper as the Streetfighter V4S, all of which are controlled by the second-generation Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 system. It features the same Panigale V4 springs and hydraulic as the S version. The only modification is a 6mm reduction in fork spring preload from 11mm. The Streetfighter V4 SP is the ideal partner for the novice who wishes to control the track on a naked bike while receiving immediate feedback. The bike is simpler to lay into the turn and gets to the apex faster, not to mention the outstanding stability at high speeds thanks to the increased braking capacity. The new bike comes with a Lin Smart EC 2.0, with an event-based damping system that adjusts the damping to the rider's riding style, and biplane wings that improve confidence and assure the greatest performance in athletic use. The STM Evo SBK dry clutch provides improved anti-hopping performance.